Hello and welcome to our first Earth Science class for the trimester. Our topic is biomes, the biomes of the world. And of course, this lecture is delivered by your favorite teacher, Mrs. Tessie. So the objectives of this class is you learn the meaning of biome, what is a biome, the types of biome, the factors that make up a biome, and some examples of biomes in the world. So if you are ready, let's get started. A biome is a community of plants and animals. They cover large areas of the Earth's surface, and there are basically five types of biomes. Okay, so now by definition, I said it's a community of plants and animals in an area. And there are some factors that affect the biome in a particular area. We have climate and the type of vegetation. And the types of biomes are listed there. The first is the aquatic biomes. These include freshwater and marine biomes. The freshwater biomes are surrounded by land, but there is no salt in the water, less than 1% of salt, but the marine has salt. An example of an aquatic biome is displayed on the screen. Okay, so here you can see fishes and other aquatic animals inside the river or the sea. Now the next biome we'll be looking at is the grassland biome. These are open areas dominated by grass, and they have a warm, dry climate. I'm sure you've seen these kind of areas when you travel long distances in the north, probably, right? So these are grassland biomes. And there are two types, the tropical grassland and the temperate grassland. Tropical grassland, temperate grassland. An example of a grassland biome. See, vast area of land covered by grass. And this is an animal that can survive in this area. It eats grass. And what animal is this? A zebra or a giraffe? That's a giraffe, right? Now, forest biome, they are dominated by trees. Can you tell me an area that is dominated by trees? Yes, this part of the world, this part of Nigeria, in fact, in the south. Now, there are three types of forest biome. We have temperate biome, tropical forest biome, and boreal forest biome. Okay, so three types of forest biomes. Remember I said they are dominated by trees, and this is a perfect example of a forest biome. Right. So we have lush vegetation. There is always ample supply of water. Rainfall is regular, and sunlight. Now the desert biome, they have extreme weather conditions. When I say extreme, whenever the weather is hot, it is very hot, and whenever it is cold, it is very cold. So that is what makes them extreme weather conditions, and it's difficult for plants and animals to survive in this area. So they could be hot and dry, semi-arid, coastal, and cold. So these are the four categories of the desert biome. This is how you can describe a desert biome. An example of a desert biome is shown on the screen too. You can see the plants there. They don't even grow tall. They just so small on the ground. It's like a vast land. Practically no animals in sight. They are mostly inside the soil. Now, tundra biome, they have extremely inhospitable conditions, just like in the desert biome, but theirs is even worse because they have the lowest temperatures and precipitation. So while the desert biome is dry, the tundra biome is very cold. So two types are Arctic and alpine or alpine. That is why in the tundra biome you can see snow. There's snow everywhere. Very low precipitation and very low temperatures. This is an example of a tundra biome. See it? Good. So now let's go further. A fun fact here. A tropical grassland is also called the savanna. So another name for a tropical grassland is the savanna. If you don't want to say tropical grassland, just say savanna. So that is something that you have learned in addition. In summary, a biome is a community of plants and animals in an area. There are five types: tundra, forest, desert, aquatic, and grassland biome. I hope that you have learned these so far. It's a very short class, but the lessons are straight to the point. So thank you for sitting back, for listening to me talk this whole time. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Goodbye.